Well, go on, people, you don't know, say Yaad Man Sports in a minute, and we there represent the pattern news network, the baddest news network on the planet, and for ask Christ, you see me? And we there to give you a recap of day 4 and day 5 of the World Championship over Oregon. Now, don't know, say a beer goal we go for over the next couple of days, you know, so we put on the gold chain, and the gold in the mouth, braffing.
That goal ain't look real. That not real.
First thing, you want to say Jamaica get a silver medal on day 4 and then a triple jump, isn't it? Big up yourself, sha'carri. You know, so what you only feel like say Jamaica only do running, and I run alone run. One of them we are jump cross river, wow. We are jump cross gully, wow. We are jump over people fence, they teeth and manga for them tree. But now after sha'carri do that, but if you know, so I just run Jamaicans now for run, we don't for jump cross things so. Day 5. The women's high jump the gun, isn't it? Never get no medal. Discuss the truth for the man them, never get no medal. But for one thing we can tell you, you know, see them put a manga or apple or a ackee tree in the middle of the field, trying to sort of broke every single discuss record. Every manga would have get slapped off, because we no fling and miss. Big up all of the athletes them with the field events, because I run alone Jamaica run, isn't it? Now the middle 200 meter, nobody never qualify. Big up yourself Rashid by a lone warrior in the semi-final. So you want to pull out of the 200 because I'm injured, isn't it? Your father you want, I like all them dealing in my general. You make it look like so them could have go out there and do what you do. So them can't run a boat, but just run on a track. You want to allow the man, but father you want, just to make you know again in a time. Now for the run left them gang in the 200, you don't know say Sharika, aka Bingo, aka Nah Smile. Make it through to the final, easy, easy, easy. Right now you want to know, so the world record I look for, you know, it a go drop. Elaine, aka Jet Plane, make it through to the final too, you know. Although on her time she have a fret, you know, because she come third. But anyway, she make it through to the final, I look for the next medal. Normal. Shelly, aka Remy, another day, another wig. Make it through to the final, smooth and easy like butter. Man, no say look like I've got to resurrect the elephant man again, you know. Straight. Hold on there. Me know when you see the drip, people. Me know when you see the drip. Right now, the Run Left Them Gang t-shirt there in a black. And if you don't want it, go and order it. Link in the bio in the description, you see me? Me know it's the World Championship we are dealing. But here, if you take a minute to big up the regular girl, let me know. Them qualify for the World Cup, it's a good look. And get a third in the CONCACAF Championship, it's a good look. Go play against Canada next year, September, to qualify for the Olympic, it's a good look. But JFF, only might try embarrass the girl at the airport and come back at them yard. It's not a good look. You was either on a fix up or on a ship out. Alright, back to the recap. All like 400 meter hurdle woman them qualify for them semi-final. Nah man. So the 400 meter hurdles for the man them. Jail, never there hide because the man running PB. Big up yourself in a Jail. First major finals and them thing there. You will look forward for the future, you see me? Then know that the Yaad Man Sports in a minute in a people and we're there upon the network. Outside.